Hi guys, welcome to TechBulji channel. In today's video, I am going to download Microsoft Office 2024 version. Guys, it's a quick and easy method, and this method works in Windows 10 and 11 both. Before starting the video, a quick note. This video is for educational purpose only. Microsoft Office is a powerful suite of tools, and activation is crucial to ensure you are using a genuine software. Using genuine software is not only about legal but also safer. Always follow legal channels for software acquisitions like us.
Okay, let's go.
Guys, first open Chrome. You can use any browser. I am using Chrome. And here search for Microsoft customization tool. And you guys see here is the official website of Microsoft. And here click on it. You guys have to know Microsoft Office is a paid. I am going to download beta version of Microsoft Office 2024 version. Guys, this is freely available by Microsoft Office for the trial version of Microsoft. So don't getting any panic. So let's get started with the downloading process. Guys, here you have to find for your system architecture. Here in search box, you have to type for system information. And here you guys see option system type, and you guys see my system is 64-bit architecture. Close it, and here it is by default set to 64-bit. And guys, here you have to select Office suite and download here Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024 volume license. Guys, in last video I have downloaded the Office LTSC Professional Plus 2021 volume license, but now in today's video I am going to download 2024 version. So select it, and after that you have to click on next. In languages you have to click and select for English United Kingdoms and click on next. And installation, you don't need to have any changes. Click on next. In update and upgrade, you have to turn off this uninstall and MSI version of Office, and then click on next. Again click on next. Again click next, and here scroll and click on finish it. And after that guys, you have to export it, and here set the file format as XML. Click on OK. Accept the license guys, and then export it. And you guys see configuration.xml is downloaded. Go to this folder path, and guys see beside that I am creating a new folder named as Office 2024, and then enter, and move this configuration.xml in Office 2024. Let's minimize it. And guys, here in browser open new tab, and here search for Microsoft deployment tool, and here again go to Microsoft official website, and you guys see here is download button. Click on download, and you guys see it is also download. Go to this folder path and move this folder in Office 2024. Guys, I am moving Office 2024 folder in C drive so that I can easily access it. And now in Office 2024, that deployment file which I am downloading from Office deployment tools. Guys, here right click on the deployment tool zip file, and here run as administrator, sorry, exe file, and then click on continue. And you guys see like this pop-up asking that where which you extract this exe file. So I move Office 2024 in C drive, so in this PC, in C drive. In Office 2024 I am extracting this, and you guys see here other files is coming. That's good. Guys, after that you have to open CMD. In search box search for command prompt, open it, and you guys see by default it was on users and HP path. So let's move to C drive by type cd dot dot cd dot dot, and now guys move to cd slash office 2024 folder, and now here you have to type, guys see, this is setup.exe file, setup slash configure, and then type configuration.xml, as it was this configuration.xml file which was I was downloaded from customization tool, and then hit on enter. Now guys, you see Microsoft installation process bar is begin now, so that's good. Wait for its going. Once it goes, you have to close all folders and windows. And now guys see, our Microsoft installation is started. So I am skipping this part or increase the speed of my video so that we can save our time. Guys, you see, as I get the notification of install Microsoft, and my screen is now you are all set, and Microsoft 365 is downloaded on my system. So that's good, and close it. And now here search in search bar for Word. Is it existing now my system? Yes. Search for Excel. It's also coming. Search for PowerPoint. Good one. So let's open Word by searching in search bar. Open it. Okay. Wait for a moment. And you see guys, here is I got an activation issue after installation of Microsoft. So for fix this, you can watch out my this video which was showing in I button, and also I provide this video link in my description box. So go for it. After that guys, after watching this video, accept this license, and when you open home, now you can able to make changes in Word, and when you open account you can see Microsoft 365 is now activated, and there is no need of any activation now. So that's cool. Guys, if this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So that's it.